Wash your hands.
Guess what night it is?
Pizza nuts!
Pizza night, that's right, thank you. So for pizza, we're going to need
Pizza box!
a frozen pizza, a pizza cutter, and a pizza pan. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven. So I'm gonna double check my box. It says 425. So I'm clicking bake, 425, and my start button. So now my oven is preheating. The next step is that we're going to take our pizza out of the box and out of all the wrappers. I'm gonna also take the plastic off. Might need scissors. I'm gonna set that aside and the cardboard on the bottom. Take that out and set it directly onto my pizza pan. Now we're gonna put our pizza in the oven. I have an oven mitt so that when I'm reaching into the oven, I'm protecting my hand. I'm going to put it in the middle of my oven and close the door. My cooking instruction says I need to set the timer for 11 to 13 minutes, so I'm gonna set it for 12. And then I'll check on it when my timer goes off. Now that my timer's going off, I have my oven mitt. I'm going to pull my pizza carefully out of the oven because the pan is hot and set it right on top of my stove. I can close my oven. Now I'm going to turn off the oven so that my oven is off. I'm going to use my pizza cutter to cut my pizza into slices. The pan is still hot, so I'm touching the pan with my oven mitt. Here. Now that you've cut it, you can carefully pick up a slice to put on your plate, and when it's cooled off, you can eat it. Haley, do you want to do my taste tester?
Yum!
Eat. Throw away or recycle trash. Wash your dishes.